No humanitarian aid or commercial goods have been allowed into Gaza since the 2nd of March, which has devastating humanitarian consequences in the Gaza Strip. The Secretary-General continues to call for humanitarian aid to reach all people in need. Israel has several obligations in relation to the presence and activities of the United Nations in the occupied Palestinian territory by virtue of its status as the occupying power. These obligations include the following obligations under international humanitarian law: the overarching obligation to administer the territory for the benefit of the local population, the obligation to agree to and facilitate relief schemes, the obligation to facilitate the proper working of all institutions devoted to the care and education of children, and the obligation to maintain the medical and hospital establishments and services, including those set up by United Nations entities.
That's really the heart of why Palestine and over 40 other states are addressing the court today. It is not about the number of aid trucks Israel is or is not allowing into the occupied Palestinian territory, especially Gaza. It is not about Israel destroying it is about Israel destroying the fundamentals of life in Palestine, while it blocks UN and other humanitarians from providing life-saving aid to the population. It is about Israel unraveling fundamental principles of international law, including their obligations under the UN Charter. It is about Israel turning Palestine, in particularly Gaza, into a mass grave for Palestinians and those coming to their aid.